Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Talk. Today, we're going to do another English shadowing exercise. That means you'll listen to a story and repeat after me, copying my rhythm, pronunciation, and intonation. It's one of the best ways to improve your spoken English and sound more natural. Let's get started with today's story. Today, I'm not feeling very well. I woke up with a sore throat, a stuffy nose, and a slight fever. At first, I thought it might go away, but after breakfast, I still felt tired and weak. So, I decided it was best to visit the doctor. At 9 o'clock in the morning, I called my local clinic to make an appointment. The receptionist answered and said, "Good morning. How can I help you?" I explained my symptoms and asked if I could see the doctor today. She checked the schedule and replied, "We have an opening at 11 a.m. Would you like to come then?" I said, "Yes, that works perfectly. Thank you." She confirmed my appointment, and I started getting ready. Before leaving, I drank some warm tea with honey to soothe my throat. I also took a quick shower and dressed in warm, comfortable clothes. Since it was a cold day, I made sure to wear a scarf and a jacket. I left my house around 10:30 and walked to the nearby bus stop. The bus arrived on time, and I found a seat near the window. As the bus drove through the city streets, I thought about the questions I might ask the doctor. I also reminded myself to stay calm and describe my symptoms clearly. A few minutes later, the nurse came out and called my name. I followed her into the examination room. She asked me to sit down and took my temperature and blood pressure. Then she said, "The doctor will be with you shortly." I waited patiently. Soon, the doctor entered the room. She smiled and said, "Good morning. How are you feeling today?" I explained my symptoms. "I have a sore throat, a stuffy nose, some body aches, and a fever." She listened carefully and asked, "How long have you been feeling this way?" I replied, "Since yesterday morning." The doctor examined my throat with a small light. She also listened to my breathing with a stethoscope. After the examination, she said, "It looks like you have a mild viral infection. I'll prescribe some medicine to help with the symptoms." I thanked her and asked if I should stay home from work. She advised, "Yes, rest at home for the next 2 to 3 days, drink plenty of fluids, and get enough sleep." She also reminded me to come back if I didn't feel better in a few days. After the appointment, I went to the pharmacy next door. I handed the pharmacist my prescription. She prepared the medicine and explained how to take it. I thanked her and walked back to the bus stop. On the way home, I felt relieved. I was glad I had seen the doctor and now had a clear plan to recover. Back home, I took my first dose of medicine and made some more warm tea. I also prepared some light soup for lunch. Then, I settled into bed with a good book and reminded myself to rest and take it easy. Sometimes, taking care of your health is the most important thing you can do. Now it's your turn. Let's go back to the beginning. Listen and repeat each sentence after me. Try to match the way I speak, slowly, clearly, and naturally. Practice this story with me every day, and your English will get stronger and more fluent. Thanks for joining me today on Daily English Talk. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practice stories. See you next time, and take good care of your health.